How to make a good LinkedIn profile for students. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can actually make a good LinkedIn profile for students, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, whether you are a student or an employer, employee, manager, recruiter, hiring manager, or anything, it doesn't really matter. As long as you enter only professional details on your LinkedIn profile, it will always look very good. So you open up your LinkedIn profile, go to the view profile option here. Now, chances are that if you're a student, you don't have anything to talk much about your experience, so your experience tab could be lacking a little bit in this sector. But what you can do is, if you scroll down here to the education tab, you can add more about your education and certificates if you also happen to have them. You can add your background, your degree, the university that you studied in, or anything that you have. If you are a student, chances are you might be lacking experience, but you might still have more to talk about your education. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.